episode, we're going to talk about how not to handle objections. This is Jeff Luspo,
And this is Ron C.
and welcome to episode 14 of the Always Be Closing show. Okay, Coach Ron, we are back finally. Grabe,
We are so back.
Kapag shoot na rin tayo ng episode 14 natin, marami na naghihintay ng episode 14. Here we are finally back. And today, we will be talking about mga objections na rebuttals na hindi mo dapat gagawin.
There's always a better way how to handle objections.
That's right.
So, we're going to show you, yung mga boo-boos.
Wag na wag niyong gagawin tong mga papakita namin sa inyo. Good. Ready na ba kayo? Okay. Mr. C, nagustuhan niyo ba yung plan?
Oo.
Ganda naman, no?
Maganda.
Okay, Mr. C, nagustuhan niyo ba yung plan?
Oo, maganda.
Ganda naman, no?
Jeff.
Well protected yung family mo.
Oo, ganda ng proposal mo.
Very good. Affordable naman siya.
Oo, sarap i-compare ha.
Fantastic. Very, very affordable. Good, good. So, Mr. C, yung yung ano natin, yung alam mo na, yung yung ano natin, Mr. C, yung Ninoy, yung Mr. C, yung
Ano ba next step natin?
next step, Mr. C, yung
Hindi na ba yan?
Mr. C, hindi, bukas pa to, bukas.
Jeff, gusto ko na.
Maganda. Kaya rin naman eh, affordable
Kaya.
naman. Oo. Sige, maganda yan, Ron, pag-isipan ko muna.
Kasi, bakit talaga? Wala namang isip pero nag-ipon. Ikaw? Jeff, maganda naman talaga yan, no?
Maganda, nagustuhan mo naman? Very good, very good.
Pero mo,
Affordable naman, affordable.
Oo. Compare ko muna, compare ko.
Sir naman, ano ba naman yan? Sir, 2 oras na tayo nag-uusap, i-compare mo pa lahat, diniscuss, i-compare mo pa, ano ba naman yan? Grabe naman, 2 oras na tayo nag-uusap dito, i-compare pa, ano ba naman buhay, buisit ng buhay ko, ano ba naman yan? Bakit? Ngayon ba yan? Kailangan ko isipin, hindi pa ako makapag-desisyon ngayon eh. Siguro bigyan mo ako ng panahon para mag-desisyon na. Hindi pa ako makapag-decide ngayon.
Ito makapag-decide.
Hindi pa.
Alin dyan siya hindi mo pag-decision?
Kailangan ko pa pag-aralan kasi kung ito ba para sa hindi pa ako makapag-decide. Hindi pa. Next time na lang, next time.
Sir, kapag tapos ka ba? Ito yung kailangan mong pag-aralan. Sir, gigil tayo, sir, no? Ipon lang pag-aaralan mo pa. Ano, sir? Kapag tapos ka ba?
Sir, nagustuhan mo naman yung plan, no?
Ganda.
Very nice. Affordable naman siya.
Oo.
Okay, mag-start na tayo today, sir, para naman yung sa mga pamilya mo.
Hindi ko pa kailangan yan, sir.
Ba naman yan?
Hindi pa yan kailangan ngayon na, sir.
Ganun na. Sir, ganito lang kasimple yan. Paano kung mamatay ka mamaya? Paano yun ang pamilya mo? Hindi mo ba mahal yung mga anak mo? Ano ba naman yan? Hindi mo ba iniisip yung mga anak mo? Ano na lang sasabihin nila pag namatay ka? Hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa'yo paglabas ng coffee shop na. Baka masagasaan ka o anong gagawin mo? Hindi ka issued. Ano ba naman yan?
Grabe ka naman.
Mahal mo ba talaga ang pamilya mo? Hindi mo ata mahal eh. Mahal mo ba? Hindi mo naman mahal. Ano ba naman yung buhay na to? Alam mo sir, may mga taong mga hindi talaga mahal ang pamilya. Isa ka na din.
Grabe ka naman.
Ayan sir, nagustuhan niyo ba yung plan? Maganda naman.
Maganda.
Ayos naman sir, no?
Ganda,
Ayan, 100,000 lang yan a year sir. Sir, check ko na lang yung credit card mo sir. Check ko lang naman. Hindi, titingnan ko lang naman sir.
Samsung.
Check ko lang. Ayan. Saan ka ba nakapark sir?
Diyan lang.
Diyan lang, malapit lang naman eh, no?
Oo.
Ayan. Ito pala yung credit card mo, sir. Check lang natin, 100,000 lang naman, di ba?
Oo.
Ayan, check lang natin, sir, no? Swiper!
Ngayon na ba eh?
Ano, no?
Ngayon na ba eh?
Check lang natin, sir. Check lang. Ay, swiper, manager. Ayan.
I-check mo dyan.
Check lang natin kung papasok siya, sir.
Pag-iisipan ko pa kasi.
Pag-isipan mo, ayun sir, pwede mo nang pag-isipan, 30 days pa naman yan eh. Oo, 30 days, walang problema sir.
Hindi, tagal ko naman mag-isip.
Hindi, okay lang sir, walang problema yan. Saan ka ba naka-parcel? Saan? Diyan, ayun, okay na sir. Hindi, okay lang sir, walang problema sir. Mag-donut ka muna sir. Donut. Ayan, kape ka muna sir. Yan.
Hindi ka ba naman ano yung card?
Hindi, okay lang sir. I-check lang natin sir, i-check lang. Sir, ito na yung application form, fill-upan mo lang. For record purposes lang yan. Record lang yan sir, survey lang, survey. Survey. Yan, fill up na lang sir, ayun. Survey lang yan, survey.
Parang policy na to.
Hindi. Survey lang yan sir, survey. Huwag kang mag-alala. Yan.
Okay.
Mukhang maganda naman ha. 100,000 a year.
100,000 ba, sir? Sir, patingin ng card. Patingin ng card na gagamitin mo, sir.
Gagamitin? Ngayon na ba yan? Okay. Sige. Sigurado ka ha?
Ang balas. Close ko yung manager.
Sigurado ka ha? Sige. Sir, ito yung plan. That's 100,000 a year.
100,000.
Pasok naman yan sa budget mo sir based dun sa sa financial needs analysis natin. Pasok na siya para maprotekta mo yung family mo, no?
Sige. Paaraw ko kay Mrs. Sir.
Sir, ano ba naman yan? Sir, papaalam mo pa kay Mrs. Oh, kahapon nga ng babae nga tayo, hindi ka naman nagpaalam sa Mrs. mo. So far, yun yung mga things na wag niyong gagawin kasi grabe. Baka masampal kayo ng kliyente. Instead na matulungan nyo sila, baka magkaroon ka pa ng kaaway. So wag niyong gagawin yan. Right?
Right.
Ngayon, meron... So, yun yung mga things na hindi mo dapat gawin. We will be teaching you things na paano mo i-handle properly mga ganong klaseng objections and how do you close a deal right there and then on the spot na may encourage mo yung client na magiging masaya siya to protect his or her family today. We would encourage you to attend our Master Closer Blueprint program. Kailan ba yun, Coach Ron?
That will be on November 30th and December 1.
Yan, it's a 2-day mastery program for financial advisors. If you want to know how to handle objections, closing techniques, pencil pitches, lahat, the complete program from start to finish. How do you close a client? We will teach you how to do that dun sa program na yan. So please, invite your financial advisor friends, enroll habang meron pang available slots para naman makasama namin kayo at maging kabilang ka rin dun sa aming United Financial Advisors community.
And we have an early bird rate. So, message us on Facebook to find out how you can secure your slots, okay?
Right, so follow us on Facebook sa Always Be Closing Academy. By the way, meron din pala tayong coffee chit-chat sessions, no?
We'll be having one this November.
Right, this November, follow nyo lang yung page for the schedule. Yung coffee chit-chat session na yan, it's a free learning session para makita mo what we teach.
Tsaka Coach Jeff, kahit na nasa lupalop sila, pwede nila tayo puntahan. Kasi ang dami-dami nating advisors, galing Ozamis, galing Cebu, galing Bicol, galing
Nueva Ecija.
You know, no excuses. If you really want to learn, come over.
So, that's it for today's episode. We hope you like the show. Please subscribe, like our YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. Post it on your wall and spread the word. This is Jeff Luspo.
This is Ron C.
We'll see you again next time. Remember, always be closing.
Great. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good
All
morning.
right.
And
All
we are
right.
here once again to give value to all financial advisors out there. Welcome to
Oh, yeah.
ABC Thursday Thunder
Welcome,
Talk
welcome
Show.
guys, welcome.
Nandito naman yung mga host nyo. My name is Coach Jeff Luzpo.
Yep. This is Coach Ron.
And this is Professor Sai.
Yep.
Hi guys.
And this show, of course, is hosted by the suited advisor, Coach Brian Orzames.
Brian.
Hello, Coach Brian. Thank
Hi,
you very
Coach
much for hosting
Brian.
this show.
Fantastic, fantastic. Kumusta kayo,
Fantastic.
coaches? Prof. Sai?
Doing great.
How's your,
We're doing
your...
We're
Fantastic,
doing good.
fantastic.
We're doing good.
Oo,
And,
and...
at least we guys are still safe. Most of the financial advisors are also safe. Kahit na
Oo.
yung mga cases every day ang tataas, no?
I know, I
Right?
know.
So it's getting dangerous. And at the same time, there's going to be a SONA or at least si Duterte magsasalita ulit sa public this coming. Kailan yun, Professor Sai?
Monday, this coming
Monday.
Monday.
So let's see kung ano magiging announcement niya kung mga plans ba on how to do this. Magla-lockdown ba tayo? Hindi ba tayo magla-lockdown? Ano ba yung mga... We'll see. We'll
Yeah.
never know. A lot of rumors are going around and we don't know
Oo nga eh.
what it will be.
Mm.
Diba?
And
Diba?
it's-
Pero
it's
maganda.
really creating
Yeah.
confusion na naman, Coach Jeff, di ba?
Oh, yes, that's right. And very important, guys, na for now, focus talaga tayo on what we can control, what we
Yeah.
can focus on in adding value to our clients virtually. Right? So it's better that you are safe, your clients are safe, and your
Mhm.
family members at home are safe as well. Yeah. And speaking of doing it virtually, maganda ang topic natin ngayon, coaches, no?
Oo. Ganda, maganda.
That's right.
This is something, it's one of the skills na you really have to have if you want to be a better financial advisor. Yung handling objections. Tama ba,
Yun.
Coach? No?
Oh, yes,
Yan.
that's right. That's right.
And,
That's right.
Pero
And
before that, Coach Chef, kailangan
Yes.
shoutout muna natin yung mga friends
Shout out.
natin.
hello.
Ano?
friends
Hello,
from the industry.
shout out.
Hello,
Oo, yung mga
hello,
friends
hello.
natin sa favorite red company ko, Film Life, tsaka
Hello,
True Life.
Film Lifers.
Hello,
Yeah.
Film
please.
Life. Hello.
Yeah.
Film,
Please,
True Life,
please,
hello.
please comment sa comment section if you're from Film Life or True Life. Yan.
Comment guys.
Fantastic,
Yan, comment lang
fantastic.
kayo,
Comment lang kayo.
Yan.
Very good. How's your
Saka
evening?
yung-
Fantastic.
Yan, oo. Very, may kausap ko kanina ang tiga, Film Life. Very, sila, halos araw-araw meron silang Zoom meetings.
Amazing.
yeah.
Grabe, no?
Oh,
Busy.
Sobrang busy.
Parang ang naging busy pa lalo during GCQ and
Oo.
ECQ, no?
Ano nga ngayon Coach Jeff,
Mas
may
naging
joke
busy.
Alam mo yung bagong
Ano yung
joke ngayon?
joke,
Ang
Professor?
traffic daw ngayon, wala na sa EDSA. Nasa internet na naman
Kasi-
traffic. Oo.
Oh my God.
Oo.
Oo nga, no?
Nasa
Nasa,
internet na
ano,
traffic ngayon. Wala na sa EDSA,
Oo.
ladies and gentlemen.
Tsaka maganda
Right,
yung
right,
time
right.
slot natin ngayon. I hope guys, nagustuhan yung time slot natin starting
Yeah.
last week. Tama ba? So 9 o'clock na
Oo.
tayo.
9 o'clock na
Kasi
tayo.
at least
right.
walang traffic dun sa internet ni Coach Jeff. Kasi
Oo.
alam niyo na.
ISP Bonanza eh. Tama. And at the same time, guys, pagdating sa mga meetings, dito ka lang makakakita sa situation natin ngayon sa GCQ na ang isang financial advisor nakaka-attend ng multiple meetings.
Correct.
Oo.
Diba?
Sa device number 1, meeting niya sa opisina. Device
Ah.
number 2, meeting naman niya sa kanyang branch.
Diba?
Especially mga part-timers, di ba?
Correct.
So, yun ang
Tama,
ginagawa.
tama.
So, they attend. Matindi,
Oo, eh.
matindi.
Ako din. Di ba, Coach, di ba, nung isang araw, kailan ba yun? Natawa kahapon, di ba? Na meron
Oo.
tayong isang demo talk sa isang branch in True Life. Ano nangyari?
Right.
Oh, teka, maghanap lang ako ng parking, di ba?
Oo.
Parking na katapat.
Sabi ko kay kay Coach Ron, "Uy, pare, meron tayong demo talk." Ganun ba? O sige, tatabi ko muna dito sa gilid.
O, diba? Because of
And then
technology, we are
naka-virtual
able.
background na, di ba?
Oo, di ba?
So just
Galing,
imagine.
Fantastic.
Tapos
Oo,
maganda rin kay
so-
Professor Sai, pag merong mga clients na gusto makipag-meet sa kanya, via Zoom na din. Tama ba, Professor Sai?
Correct.
Ah.
Kumbaga ngayon, let's take advantage of technology. Kaya nga sinasabi ko lagi, Coach Ron, Coach Chef,
Mm.
thank you, Lord, for the gift of life kasi we're healthy, and thank you for the gift of technology. Why?
Yes.
Oo.
I don't have, kung si Coach Ron, tsaka si Coach Chef, taga Cavite, they don't have to go to Makati anymore to attend the
Oo.
meeting.
Tama.
Minsan
Right,
matagal
that's
pa yung
correct.
biyahe dun sa meeting tama ba?
Oo.
So that
Oh,
in itself
yes,
is already
grabe.
a waste, di ba? But
Oo.
now we can maximize our time, the
That's right.
opportunity. Ang challenge
Yeah.
na lang is
Mm-mm.
how's the internet? It's traffic.
Tama.
Oh,
Kailangan
yes, that's
we have to
correct. That's
invest.
correct.
Yan.
And
Tsaka ano,
magugulat rin
yeah.
kayo if your speed, ISP tuloy, if your internet speed, kung yung internet speed mo, kunwari nag-avail ka, di ba? Pero ang speed mo lang is 15 Mbps or 30 Mbps, lalong bumabagal. Kasi everybody's
Oo.
using it na, right? So
Correct,
ang
correct,
recommendation, guys, you have to upgrade kasi everybody's using the internet now. If you have a 15 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 5 Mbps, that won't be enough anymore sa new normal right now.
You have to
You have
get
to
a higher
upgrade.
one.
Oo, tingnan mo ko. Naka-data pa din.
Challenge,
Ay,
Kulay
structural
talaga.
challenge kasi yan, because of the
Oo,
area.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
And at the same time, si Globe and PLDT, I think, Globe and Smart or PLDT, binili na nila yung shares or at least yung allocation na nasa San Miguel. So hopefully that will speed up the process. Oh, by the way, guys, hindi pa natin nabati yung ibang mga companies. Sun
Yes,
Life
please,
first.
please,
Hello,
please.
Sun Life.
Yeah.
Thank
Sun
you very
Life
much
first.
for being here tonight. Pati
The-
yung
the
mga
Blue
Manulife,
Company.
nandito
Yeah.
rin, Manulifers. Hello,
Yeah.
Manulife, the green company.
The blue company naman,
Favorite
Coach
company
Jeff.
of Coach Ayet.
Yes.
Diba?
Hi,
Hello.
hello, shout out kay
Blue
Coach Ayet.
company, nandito rin. Merong mga nakikinig sa atin sa shout out kay
Allianz
Coach Ayet.
and
Blue
Allianz
Company.
and AXA.
Allianz.
And Video Life,
And
another
AXA
blue
Life.
company.
Hello.
Blue company.
Video
Saka
Life.
yung
Hello,
ano,
Video Life.
yung Blue-
Insular.
Yung
nandito
Blue
rin,
Cross,
In
Blue
Life.
Cross, di ba blue din yun?
Pacific
Diba?
Cross na ang tawag sa
Pacific
kanila.
Cross
Pacific
yata
Cross,
sila.
Pacific
Tsaka yung isang
Oh,
Orange
Pacific
Company.
Cross na.
Orange.
favorite Orange
FWD.
company.
Hello,
FWD. Hi guys. Good evening.
Tsaka yung
nakikinig rin
yung
ngayon mga taga Coco Life.
Coco
Coco
Life.
Life. Oh, wow,
Coco Life.
fantastic.
Hi.
Okay.
Well, thank you for being here tonight. And very interesting yung topic natin, guys. Simulan na natin kasi we now have about 221
Yan.
na
Galing,
nanonood
galing.
right now, and they're very excited to learn from us. Ano ba yung mga common mistakes na ginagawa ng mga financial advisors in handling objections? Would you like to start, Coach Ron?
Yeah. Ito it's really one of the most common na napapansin ko Coach Chef, kasi usually syempre when nag-object ang kliyente once na when we try to get a commitment or close them, tama ba?
Correct.
Doon lumalabas yan normally. And one of the things na napapansin ko is that pag nag-object na si client, yung minsan yung utak ni ni financial advisor, yung nakaganon lang siya.
Ayun, di ba?
Di ba? Hindi mo
Kasi hindi
niya
rin niya expected kasi na
Oo.
mag-object.
Na-traffic
Sabihin-
din.
ibig sabihin, yung nagpa-passive listening, yung tipong nag-iisip siya, paano ko ba sasagutin to? Alam mo, yung tipong hinihintay mo lang na matapos, tapos you try to handle it head on. Tama ba? Without really
Right.
actively listening, no? Kasi listening is very,
Mhm.
very important. Do you agree, financial advisors? Diba? If you agree,
Right,
please
right.
type in agree if you think active listening is very, very important in handling objections. Kasi, Prof, pag hindi ka nakinig ng tama, di ba? Kasi hindi mo alam, sinasabi na pala sa'yo nung kliyente mo, yung pinaka-concern niya. Yun nga lang,
Correct.
medyo busy ka, piniisip mo yung paano ko ba ito i-handle, di ba? Ano kaya to? Patayin ko na kaya kaagad to. Di ba? Di ba yung tipo? Di ba? Minsan ganon, di ba? So, tama ba, Coach, no?
Yeah, that's right. Kaya ang nangyayari, yung mga financial advisors ngayon, hindi naman lahat, but there are some financial advisors na pag inuwak, anong magiging response nila dyan, Professor Sai, yung paborito nila?
Ayan. Sige po. Di ba?
Yan.
Ayun.
Di ba?
Di ba?
Ganun po
sige
ba?
pa.
Sasabihin niya, sige, paalam ko muna sa misis ko, balikan na lang kita. Sige po.
Sige po.
Di ba?
Di
Sige
ba?
po.
Wala na, oo.
So
Sayang yung
automatic
opportunity.
Sige po technique
Correct,
tayo.
correct.
Right.
Ano ba yung punot dulo ng sige po na yan, Coach Jeff? Kasi I think that's one of the most common na nagagawa ng isang financial advisor. Tama ba?
Oo. Kasi remember guys, yung mga when we handle objections kasi ang feeling ng mga hindi naman lahat ng financial advisors pero especially mga bagong financial advisors pa lang. Natatakot sila na i-handle yung objection kasi syempre iisipin nila, hey, I don't wanna be pushy. 'Di ba? I wanna
Oo.
educate, I
Tama,
wanna
tama.
add value to my clients. So I don't wanna really push them. So if I'm going to explain and then pag nagustuhan nila good, pag hindi naman, sige po, 'di ba? So kahit na
Sige.
Oo.
na mabigat sa damdamin natin dahil di natin
Oo.
na-close or hindi natin natulungan for today, umiiwas din tayo na i-handle yung object.
Baka kasi isipin nila, Coach Jeff, baka kasi sabihin niya, binibentahan ko sila eh. Tama
Oo.
ba? No?
So
So
the
medyo
common
may
mistake
attachment.
there, tama. The common mistake there is right. Medyo, the common mistake there is when you handle objections, it does not necessarily mean na pushy ka.
Correct.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Yan.
So very
Again,
important.
Coach Ron, Coach
Yeah.
Chip, nagkakaroon kasi ng clarification eh. Tama yung binanggit mo. Is it really an objection or a condition? Or if I may use the word, it's a smoke screen, di ba? For something not yung totoo.
Oo,
Yan.
tama. Actually kanina, Coach Jeff, no, pinost ko kasi yon. Sabi ko, how would you know? Tama? How would you know? Kasi the only way for you to handle an objection effectively is to know if it's really an objection. Tama ba, Prof?
Correct.
No? Kasi ang hirap kasi pag smoke screen yan, Coach Jeff, yung tipong hindi mo alam na nagtatago yung isang objection sa isang objection. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng smoke screen.
Tama.
'Di ba?
Tama.
Na yung tipong
Right.
it's a facade. Tama ba? And most of the time, ano ba yung facade na excuses na maririnig natin sa clients natin that can be perceived as a smoke screen? Yan yung pag-iisipan ko pa. Yan, di ba?
Mm.
Especially kung na-discuss mo na lahat, di ba?
Right.
Oo, na pag-isipan ko pa, kaya yung paalam ko muna sa asawa ko.
Correct.
Pero in reality, it may be an alibi. Tama ba? So, ang tanong doon, Coach Jeff, how do you actually know? No? Kasi very important yun, Coach. Kasi remember, pag alibi, that's a borderline lie. Tama ba? The client is
Yes.
lying to your face. And remember, when the client is lying to your face, how can you handle something that is not the truth?
Right.
Tama ba?
Right.
So, mahirap, di ba? So, kailangan mo
And
muna
guys,
pamilya. Yeah.
The reason why our clients would lie, kasi nahihiya silang masaktan yung feelings mo. So they
Tama.
would rather, sugarcoat it and,
Sugarcoat it.
they give you a smoke screen na, sige, balikan kita, pag-isipan ko muna kasi medyo, alam mo na, medyo tight pa ngayon. Kahit na afford naman niya, kaya naman niya. Pero marami siya mga reasons. It could be kulang sa tiwala. It could be hindi niya kailangan. It could be hindi makakatulong sa situation niya right now. So a lot of reasons there. Pero we have to understand na the common mistakes that financial advisors make is akala nila yun na yung totoong objection. But in reality, hindi pala. It's a smoke screen. Right? So very important din yan na ma-determine mo ano ba talaga ang real objection.
Tama. Isa pa, Coach, no? Prof. Sai, ito, I'm sure nangyari na ito in one way of the another for most of us. Yung tipong sinabi ng kliyente, sige, basta kukuha ko. Usap tayo next week.
Yan.
Yeah, di ba? Most of this, di ba, minsan, ang kliyente, they will, just to get rid of you, they will tell you something you want to hear. Tama ba, Coach, no?
That's right.
Sasabihin na kagad nila sa'yo na, kukuha ko. Pero yung pag-follow up mo nun, forever na yun. Diba?
Oo.
Forever shin zone ka na. Tama ba, Prof?
Correct. Which is why here in ABC, we teach financial advisors on how to handle situations like that. Kaya
That's
very
right,
thankful
that's
ako
right.
I'm really very thankful with ABC because though I'm a tax practitioner, yung mga ganong situation, similarly situated din siya. And lately nga, pag may namimit akong kliyente, minsan may mga ganong alibay, may mga ganong reasons, but I already know how to handle them eh. Tapos sasabihin nila, hindi, prepare mo na ngayon, pipirmahan ko na. Diba?
Tama.
Right.
Agad-agad na, diba? Agad-agad na.
Yes.
So in short, Prof, Coach, ito lagi natin to tinuturo sa ABC na you have to understand why people lie. Kasi remember, buyers are liars. Tama ba?
Right.
Ano yung perfect situation dyan, Coach Jeff? Yan yung tipong pag pupunta ka na Rustans, 'di ba? Minsan ba 'di ba nagagawi ka sa Rustans tapos biglang sige, di pa ako nakapagpabango. 'Di ba?
Oo nga.
Kalimutan ko sa kotse.
Oo.
Yung gagawin mo, 'di ba?
Ay,
Hanap
sir,
ka ng
sir,
pabango.
testing. Halika, testing.
Okay. Sige.
Okay,
Ikaw
okay.
naman, magkano ba 100 ml nito?
Sir, mura lang yan, sir. May 20%
sige.
off pa nga eh.
Sige,
Oo.
pa-spray nga dito. Dito pa.
Ito, sir. Oh, bagay na bagay sa iyo yan,
Ayan.
sir.
Oo,
Yan,
panalo,
bagay na
panalo.
bagay sa iyo.
Sige. Jeff, ipapaamoy ko lang to sa asawa ko, babalikan kita.
Ay,
Ha. Teka lang, sir.
Ganun
Minsan
tanong. Kay-
nakalayo yung customer.
Hindi. Diba? O, kailan
Ang
ka
tanong,
bumalik?
Kailan ko bumalik?
Tama ba? Buyers are liars. Tama ba? So, ibig sabihin,
Tama.
sometimes ganun talaga. Tama ba? So, it's really important, no, Coach Jeff, na you know how to read people. Tama ba? It takes experience to get that kind of skill. Diba? Pero mamaya meron tayong magbigay tayo ng techniques later, tips, no?
Yep,
Diba?
that's right. That's right.
Pero binibigay muna namin sa inyo, ito yung mga common mistakes, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
So kanina we
Right.
talked about what? Passive listening.
Passive
Yung
listening.
kunwari, nakikinig
Oo.
ka pero actually
Sulat nyo,
hindi.
guys, ha?
Yan. Number
Sulat
one,
nyo, sulat
guys.
nyo.
Passive
Para alam
listening.
nyo, very conscious ka na okay, 'di ba? I have to listen actively, tama ba? Very
Correct.
important 'yon. Ano pa yung kaninang sinabi ni Prof. Sai, yung sige po. Are you always
Right.
agreeing with your client? Pag nag-objection,
That's right,
nag-agree
that's
ka ba ng agree? 'Di ba? Kasi
Oo.
minsan, coach, ibig sabihin nun masyado kang attached, nahihiya ka dun sa kliyente mong
Yes.
'di ba,
Oo.
no? So
Mm.
very very important 'yon.
Number 3
yeah.
is yung smoke screen.
Smoke screen, 'di ba?
Smoke screen.
Oo.
Kailangan mo
Number
alamin
3, kailangan malaman mo
alibay.
talaga.
Ah.
Yeah. Alibay ba to? Because buyers are liars, right? Very important.
And
Yeah.
usually, Coach Jeff, yung first objection is not really the real objection.
Right. So here's
Usually.
another common mistake, guys, related to sinabi ni Coach Ron. Here's another common mistake with financial advisors. Pag nag-object yung client, sinasagot ka agad natin yung objection head-on.
Oo.
Na hindi mo alam, yun ba talaga ang totoong objection?
Oo.
Right? So
Saka ito-
we're very excited yung bibo.
Oo.
Yung bibo
Tama,
mo sumagot ng objection.
Akala niya may ang daming points nung pag
Oo.
sumasagot ng objection.
Na stable ba talaga ang kumpanya nyo? Baka kasi magaya nyo yung ay, ganito yan, Mr. Klein, ha? Ganito. Sige,
teka.
stable ba? O sige, ganito yan. Ganito. Ay, hindi, kasi
okay.
kailangan ko pa kasing pag-isipan. Ay, hindi, ganito yan, Mr. Klein, ha? Pag-iisipan. O sige, ganito. Ay, papaalam ko na lang kay Mrs. Ganito na lang gagawin natin, Mr. Klein, ha?
tapos ito pa, kasi ibabudget ko pa, teka na, pag-aralan ko po sa ABC yan teka lang.
Nagtut pa.
Oo, di ba?
Right.
So, hindi
So,
pwedeng ganon.
Yeah, so you have to, one of the techniques na tinuturo namin sa ABC is, there are times na hindi mo kagad kailangan sagutin yung objection right away.
That's
Diba?
right.
Very important. Na alam mo dapat dun sa logical sequence mo, dun sa presentation mo, itong objection ba na to, kailangan na bang sagutin or mamaya pa? So
Oo.
tinuturo din natin yan. But hindi mo kagad pwedeng sagutin head-on. Depende kung nasaan ka sa presentation na yan.
That's
Right? Very important.
Okay. That's nice. Ito pa, Coach Jeff. This is one of another common mistake ng financial advisors, among others. Yung pag hindi na natin alam kung paano sagutin. Kuwari ganito. Sabi ng businessman, ay hindi, magne-negosyo na lang ako wala namang hindi ko naman kailangan mag-retirement, ganyan.
Oo,
Anong madalas sasabihin ng
i-invest ko na lang.
invest ko na lang. Wala, hindi mo na masagot. Anong gagawin mo? Ano sabihin mo, coach?
Paano kung...
Paano? Ganun ba?
Patay
Sige.
ka.
Sir, paano
Paano
kung...
may mangyari?
Paano kung maksidente ka? Diba?
Oo.
Ah,
So,
Biro mo,
oo.
biro mo, coach, pinagre-retire mo, ayaw mag-retire. Pinatay mo na lang.
Pinatay.
Patay na lang, oo.
So,
Diba?
Ano
pakisulat,
yan,
guys.
Coach Ron, Coach Jeff.
Takutan
Ganyan
Yeah,
yung
yeah.
nag-consult nung isang araw, sabi niya,
Yeah.
Sir, ako po yung isa sa mga nanalo nung last time. Sabi niya, sige, okay. Are you available ng 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock? Tinanong ko, sabi niya, kayo po, sir, anong oras po ba available? Sabi ko, I'm asking you, I'm already giving you the option. If you're available 5 or 7 o'clock. Sige sir, 7 na lang. O, di nag-usap na kami. Kinuwento niya kung bakit hindi siya makaklose. Sabi ko, sir, kasi ganito yan. Lahat ng objection ng kliyente mo, sinasagot mo. Sinuruan ko siya ng mga simpleng skills. Sabi ko, ganito gagawin mo. First rule, you don't argue with the client. Sabi ko sa kanya.
Yan, tama.
That's the first rule. You don't argue with the client. Kasi yung kinikwento niya sa akin, sabi ko, kinokontra mo na yung client. Kaya dahil may kinokontra mo yung client, nakawala ng interest yung client na makipag-usap sa'yo. Sabi niya, parang napansin ko nga, sir, kasi puro objection na inabot ko eh. Sabi ko, ganito gagawin natin ha. Naka-attend ka na ba ng Master Closer Blueprint? Sabi niya, sir, hindi pa. Okay, sige. You contact Coach Ron or Coach Jeff. You have to undergo the structure. Kasi kahit ituro ko to sa iyo ngayon, kung hindi mo naiintindihan yung fundamentals or basic, sabi ko, magiging nice to know lang to. And I don't want that. Magiging nice to know yun. So ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we're having this one kasi we have a structure na sinusunod. Though masarap siyang panoorin at one point, pero you have to undergo the structure. The fundamentals or the basics, we need that. Sometimes the simple things are the ones difficult to understand. Coach Ron, Coach Jeff, diba?
Tama. Agree.
Right.
I completely agree. So later on,
related
no?
dun, related dun sa sinabi ni Professor Sai, pakisulat nito. Most common, one of the common objections ng mga financial advisors is they engage into a debate with the client, which in turn is hindi tayo nag-agree, di ba? Like we said, never argue with the client, do not, di ba?
Merong kasabihan, coach, na na you may win the argument pero you will definitely lose the sale.
Right.
Diba?
Right. So common mistake there is never argue with the client, never disagree with the client first, very important. Never engage into a debate. For example, ilalagay ko na lang yun sa business score. Nagpapagawa pa kasi ako ng bahay. Importante kasi yun, di ba? Wala pang insurance. Ano sasabihin niya? Mr. Client, di ba mas importante ito? Hindi mo bahal yung mga anak mo? Di ba meron kang pinapaaral pa? Paano na lang mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila, di ba? Di ba? Isipin naman natin yun, Mr. Client. Paano kung may mangyari sa'yo? Paano kung mamatay ka? O paano yung mga anak mo? Anong gagawin mo? So nakikipagdebate na tayo. So very important. Huwag tayong makipagdebate. Right?
Yan.
Oh,
Tama, no?
fantastic.
So always agree. So, Coach, merong before we give our tips, no? Kasi ito very, very important, no? Later on, we'll give you some tips. Pero before we give you some tips, gusto niyo po ba ng raffle? Yes.
Ayun!
Please type in. Yes, if you want.
Yes.
All right.
Raffle.
Oh, yeah. Ano ba yung raffle natin, Coach Jeff?
Okay, Coach Jeff.
All right,
ano
so
yun?
we are giving away dalawa ata, no? Two
okay.
prizes for today. And the first one, very interesting to guys, first time namin gagawin to. Yung unang paparaffle namin, ay magparaffle muna tayo ng ng one free seat doon sa 2-day mastery course natin.
Oh, yan. Yan, biro niyo yan, That is priced at 5,900, Coach. Pero the value,
5,900?
yung value nito is sobra.
It's way more.
That's right. So that you can become an ABC graduate, that will be on July 31 and August 1. So attend kayo dyan. Sino man ang manalo for tonight, we will give you that one free seat, virtual seat, so that you can become an ABC graduate. You will get the same value as the others. And yan ang paparaffle natin tonight.
Yan, okay, game na tayo.
Alright, are you guys ready?
Okay. Ano yung mechanics natin, Coach?
Okay, what's the mechanics, Coach Jeff?
So mechanics lang natin, guys, is magta-type lang po kayo dito, mga keyboard warriors.
Yan.
Ayan na. Ready.
Okay.
Mga keyboard warriors.
Maghanda na. So
Okay.
ganito lang po ang ganito lang po ang ita-type mo. Okay?
Relax.
Panglima.
Panglima. The fifth.
Ang
Sige.
panglima.
Ito, Coach,
Ito,
ita-type ko.
kailangan.
Coach, ito, ita-type ko. Tapos basahin mo kung yung
Yun,
ita-type
sige.
nila.
Okay. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, panglima raw, panglima.
Itay.
Oh,
Yung
yan,
panglima.
With your keyboards.
Yung panglima. Oh, sige.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Panglima,
So,
panglima ha.
Ang panglima na magta-type nito. Okay?
Okay.
Ayun na.
Ang panglima. Kailangan
Panglima,
kompleto
okay.
ha. Ang panglima na magta-type, mananalo. Okay, keyboard warriors, ready na ba kayo? Ito na.
Okay,
Ito lang
game.
itatype mo, guys. Ito lang
Sige,
itatype mo.
Coach Jeff.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ang itatype mo lang, akin na ang ID mo, huwag ka na mag-object. Go, 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 go,
Ayun.
go, go, go,
Okay,
go,
go,
go.
go.
Akin ang ID mo, huwag ka na mag-object.
Kaya mag-object. Okay, come on guys.
Itatype mo lang, akin na ang
Akin ang
ID mo, huwag ka na
Huwag ka na
mag-object.
Kaya
mag-object.
Ayun.
Yan. Fantastic,
Okay,
fantastic.
pang-fifth,
So yung
pang-fifth.
panglima, ha? Akin
Panglima.
ang ID mo, huwag ka na mag-object. Yan.
Ayan.
So yung panglima, ikaw na Coach Ron na magbilang kasi medyo delayed yung ano
Ito
ko
na.
dito, yung
Ito na, ito na, ito na.
bonanza ko.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Teka.
Oh,
Mukhang,
bibilangan
mukhang
natin.
medyo hirap sila sa,
Okay,
sa
number
Tagalog.
one.
Sa Tagalog.
Si
Number 1, Joan Fernandez.
Number 1, Joan Fernandez.
Sino number
number
two?
2, Charlie
Number two.
Decena.
Charlie
number three.
Decena. Number 3.
Number 3, Jose Emmanuel D. Number
Emmanuel
4,
D.
Joyce
Number
Ann Disu. And
Joyce Andisu. And number 5,
Ray Mercado.
Ray Mercado. Congratulations. Yan.
Fantastic.
Congratulations, Ray Mercado.
Congratulations.
Please
Nanalo po
message
kayo,
us.
nanalo. Send us a message so
Galing.
that you can claim your free virtual seat July 31 to August 1. Pero meron pa tayong exciting na paraffle mamaya na ngayon pa lang natin gagawin.
Oo,
Diba?
tama.
So maganda yung
Yan,
raffle natin mamaya. It's something na hindi pa namin nabigay before, na ibibigay namin tonight. So abangan nyo po yan. Meron pa kaming paraffle pa, no? Paraffle.
Oo. Yan,
Fantastic.
okay. Game na tayo. O, sige,
Okay,
na tayo
okay.
to, Coach. Bigay tayo mga tips, no?
Tips.
Para masagot natin yung mga mistakes na yan. Okay, ito yung very very important na tip, no? Kasi kanina, 'di ba, we talked about passive listening. So kailangan talaga actively listening ka. How do you actively listen? You have to make sure that yung body language mo nakikinig, tama ba? So we would normally teach
Right.
them how to listen properly. Kailangan medyo naka-tilt yung ulo mo. Tapos nag-verbal nods ka, you're repeating what the client is telling you. Kung sinabi niya, kasi coach, kailangan pa magpaalam sa asawa. Okay, so kailangan pa
Okay.
magpaalam sa asawa. When you repeat something that they have said,
Right.
it actually tells them na, hey, this guy is paying attention. Tama ba? So very important yun. Okay? So very important din yung, nag-verbal nod ka. Okay yan. So okay po ba yun? Fantastic, no? Yan ang sagot sa, instead of passive listening, kailangan actively listening ka. Ano pa, coach? Paano nating sinasagot
Right.
yung smoke screen? Yung paano ba natin malalaman? Okay. Ito yan, coach. No, ito yung tip ko diyan, no, sa how do you actually know? Okay? Okay. So there was a time kailan ba to? Yung prof, yung asawa ko nag-object dahil dun
Ayun.
sa Mazda.
Kirayo.
Oo, kay Rayu. So I was planning to get this, 'di ba? This beautiful Jewel MX-5. So siya yung huling-huling nakaalam. 'Di ba? So na may plano na pala ako, 'di ba? Nabasa niya na lang na ganyan. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, siyempre objection niya ganito. Talaga? Two-seater pa talaga, ha? Paano kaya kami magkakasya ni Ron J dyan? Ganyan. Ako naman, talaga, maglalagay ako ng picture dyan sa passenger seat, lalagyan ko yan. Talaga may papasakayin ka pa dyan, ha? Diba? So, ganon. Tapos, di sabing ganon, ito gagawin nyo para malaman mo kung yun talagang objection. Diba? Sabi ko, ano ka ba? Sabi ko, yun lang ba talaga gusto? Yun lang ba talagang worry mo? Baka magpasakay ako ng iba?
Ayun. Isolate agad.
I-isolate mo
Galing,
muna.
di ba? Isolate
Yun-
agad, ladies
Right.
and gentlemen.
Yun lang ba yung pinaka-concern mo? Yun lang ba talaga pinaka-concern mo? Yung baka meron akong isakay na iba? Alam mo, sagot sa akin, Prof? Bahala,
Coach Ron?
bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ano ibig sabihin nun, Prof? Hindi talaga yun yung
Hindi
concern.
talaga yun. Correct.
Diba?
Oh,
Ayaw
tama,
niya lang ng ako yung masaya. So anong sinabi ko? So, sige. O gusto mo ba, paano kung what if, ayan na, magne-negotiate
if.
ka na. O what if, yung pang 13th month pay mo, kasi may 13th month pay si Mrs. What if
Oo.
yung, mo,
Mhm.
yung bibigay ko sa December, yun, wari, gagawin kong ganitong amount.
Oo.
Ay, sabi niya, December lang? Gumanon.
Oo.
Wala na akong
Naghahagil?
choice. Kung naghagil. So sabi ko,
Naghagil, ano?
oo. So sabi ko, what if
Oo.
December tsaka ngayon? Alam mo, sabi sa akin, Coach, Prof,
Ano?
kailan mo kukunin yung kotse?
Ayun. Diba?
O di close.
Kasi na-address mo
Oo.
talaga yung totoo no? Yung
Oo.
gusto niya.
Kasi kahit na, ginawa ko, hindi ko in-isolate, Coach Jeff. Sinagot ko lang na
Mhm.
wala naman akong papaanohin dyan Di ba? Hindi ko mare-resolve yun
Hahaba
ba?
na hahaba.
Oo,
Hahaba yan.
away.
Oo.
Oo, away yan.
Away.
Hindi rin pwedeng suhol lang. Kasi pag suhol, pero hindi mo rin in-isolate,
Correct.
tama ba? Hindi rin mag-work yun. Kasi, hindi yun, alam mo yun, hindi mo na pinpoint ano ba talaga yung pinaka-concern.
Oo. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pwedeng ilagay yung daliri mo sa bibig niya. Pagkalit!
Uy,
Kasi
Hindi pa pwedeng ganun,
parang,
ano?
parang,
Hindi pwede.
parang kilala ko yung coach. Parang
Oo.
ganyan
Huwag ka na
ka
maingay.
da.
Okay. Next topic tayo. By the way,
Okay.
ibig sabihin, guys, ibig sabihin, very important hindi dapat, when we handle objections, bawal uminit ang ulo mo.
Oo.
Right? Oo.
Very
Kasi,
important.
for example, syempre, nag-o-object na.
Oo.
Hindi naman sa nire-reject ka ng client, pero importante din na kailangan kalmado ka lang. Hindi pwedeng uminit ang ulo mo,
Yeah.
'di ba? Meron tayong mga financial advisors, Coach Ron, nung panahon natin na mabilis uminit yung ulo, 'di ba?
Oo.
Nung sinabi na sige, next time na lang. Di pa ako ready diyan. Pag ready na ako, next time na lang. So ano
Oo.
sabi ng kaibigan namin? Professor Sai, ito yung sabi niya.
Okay.
Mr. Clyde, 2 oras na tayo nag-uusap dito tapos hindi ka rin pala kukuha. Napaka-buisit naman itong buhay na to. Ano ba naman yung Mr. Tingnan mo nga to. Hindi ka ba nag-iisip? Mag-iipon ka lang, hindi mo kaya. Magkano
Oo.
lang yan? 50 pesos a day.
Ito
Hindi mo
ba,
kaya, hindi mo pa kaya. Ano ba
Yun.
naman?
Ito ba clincher dyan, Coach Jeff? Buti pa yung langgam, walang utak pero nag-iipon. Ikaw.
Diba?
Diba?
Oo.
So,
Right.
Pinatulan
Meron ding
no?
iba.
Oo.
Oo.
Pinatulan
Meron ding ibang pasimple. Ano ba yung ibang pasimple? For example, meron ding ibang mga financial advisors, pasimple din na kalmado naman sila pero talagang pinapatamaan yung kliyente. For example, sabi ng client, pre, next time na lang. Next time na lang. Sige, pre. Pag nangailangan ka ng tulong, marami din next time sa'yo, huwag kang mag-alala, pre.
Oo.
Pag nangailangan yung pamilya mo at wala kang pambayad,
Karma
marami
lang,
din
ano?
next time sa'yo, kakarmahin ka din. Di ba?
Oo.
Pag nangailangan ng pag-aaral yung anak mo, walang pupunta dyan, naku, marami din next time. So, ano nangyayari? Kaya,
Oo.
inis
Guilt
na inis
trip,
din yung mga
no?
kliyente sa atin pag
Oo.
nag-handle tayo ng objections.
Oo.
Right?
Tama.
Oh,
Very, very
yung
important.
Iba kasi yung guilt trip. There's nothing wrong with using the emotion called guilt, but it has to be used in the right way. Right?
Oo.
For example, ano yung mga guilt trip? 'Di ba? Netflix ka ng Netflix. May oras ka naman pala pero wala kang oras sa
Oo.
yung mga ganun.
Ayun.
O kaya may
Pinapatamaan.
Oo.
may iPhone ka, wala ka namang ipon. Diba? Ganyan.
Oo.
Oo.
O kaya may bago kang kotse pero hindi ka naman insured.
Ayun.
Diba? So alam mo yun,
Oo.
tinitira nila yung
Right.
yung mga
Oo.
purchases natin, tama ba? So you're adding fuel to the fire. Kaya na biglang mapipikon talaga sa
Ano
atin
na yun
tayo.
para nagiging below the belt na. No?
So very
Right,
important.
right.
So ano pa yung natin, coaches? Tips natin. So very important
Ayan,
yun guys So
Yes,
you have to
yes.
isolate the objection. Alamin mo kung ano talaga. You ask, ma'am, yun lang po ba pinaka-concern mo? What if I can do this for you? Ma'am, would you be happy? Tama?
Right.
Diba? Then ma'am, what if I can satisfy
Oo.
that concern? Ma'am, would you be happy? Diba? So, humingi
Ibig
ka muna
sabihin,
Oo.
yan. That was
Hingi ka
that's
muna
the
ng
word.
hingi ka muna ng commitment. Hingi
Yan.
ka muna ng
Oo.
agreement na what if masatisfy
So
ko
you
po
get
yan?
the commitment.
Ma'am, would you be happy to start today? If ever lang naman po.
Right. Professor
Okay po ba
Sai,
yun?
is that also applicable with high net worth clients na in getting commitments
yes.
first?
Especially mga high net worth clients. Yun nga lang ang napapansin ko sa mga high net worth clients. Sa kanila, it's not really an objection. Sa kanila, parang may condition lagi eh. Parang yung the other day, may isang kliyente or kaibigan na nagtatanong, sabi niya, alam mo, Prof. Sai, hindi ko naman kailangan ng estate kasi lahat ng properties ko nakalagay na sa corporation. So ano sagot ko? Kung if you are a financial advisor who is not trained with ABC at wala kang structure, ang una mo kagad sasagot doon, yung pinaka-common, ganun po ba? Sige po. 'Di ba? Parang ano ka na kagad, parang nabahag ka na kagad. So ang sagot ko dun sa client, tama ka naman Mr. Client. Hindi mo talaga kailangan ng insurance dahil wala kang babayarang insurance. Kasi ang magbabayad ng estate ko sa kasakali, hindi naman po ikaw, yung mga heirs mo. Sabi niya, paano mga heirs ko? Wala naman na nga sa pangalan ko eh. Sabi ko, sir, I do believe that you are the majority stockholders. Ano sagot niya? Lumabas yung totoo. Ayun naman, syempre kumpanya ko yan. Dapat ako yung pinakamalaking shares.
Yeah.
Tama kayo, Mr. Client. Wala ka nang babayarang estate tax because once the property owner is gone, it's the present
Heirs.
stockholders or the heirs who will be paying for the estate para makuha nila yung shares mo. Sabi niya, tapos bigla siya napaisip, teka Prof. Sai, parang hindi ko yata naintindihan yun. Paliwanag mo nga sa akin. Alam mo yung pinaliwanag ko na sa kanya. Alam mo sabi niya, gawin mo nga ako ng magandang plan para dyan. Yan pala yun. Kasi
yan yung buy and sell agreement. Tama ba, no, Prof?
Sabi niya kasi, nung pinaliwanag doon ng accountant niya, sir, wala ka nang po problema yung estate. Pag nilagay natin sa korporasyon lahat ng property mo, wala ka nang babayar estate. Yun pala yung paliwanag sa kanya ng accountant niya.
Merong nalimutan yung merong isang tanong na hindi na itanong, Prof. So kung
Sige,
hindi siya mamroblema, dapat tinanong niya, so sino mamroblema ng estate ko? Tama ba?
Tapos ang concern pa niya ron, sabi niya, naku, ayoko yung mga in-laws na mga anak ko yung makialam dito sa kumpanya namin. Kaya nga, ako yung majority eh. Yan.
Right.
Bigla nagkaroon siya ng bigla na-open yung mind niya na, yun pala yun. Kaya sinasabi ko sa mga kaibigan nating financial advisor, guys, hindi yung obras, if you are going to handle high net worth clients na wala kang basic or foundation sa sa tax and estate planning eh. Or another case, isa pa. Paano pag sinabi ng kliyente, 6% lang naman estate tax eh. Ba't pa kukuha ng insurance? So how would you handle that? Alam mo, sabi mo, sir, di ba yung katulad sinasabi natin kanina, sir, paano pagka ganito? Siya, wala siyang pakialam kung mamatay siya kasi nga thinking niya 6% eh, di ba? Ang sagot doon, sir, Mr. Client, tama naman kayo, 6% na lang talaga estate tax ngayon. Mr. Client, are you aware of the term zonal value? Yun. At madalas, pag narinig nila, zonal, ano yung zonal value? Ano yun? Pag niliwanag ko ng ganito, ganun ba? Ano ngayon ang gagawin ko? Sige, ang tanong ko lang, Mr. Client, would you be happy if I can help you on this one? Sige, Prof. Sai, please. Para maintindihan ko at kung ano pwede kong gawin. Yung bang, nakukuha mo ngayon yung attention ng kliyente because una, hindi mo siya kinokontra. Ina-acknowledge mo na tama siya, pero at the same time, remember ladies and gentlemen, in our tax and estate planning, it's a circle. The first half is the idea of your client, but you have to fill in the other half. At hindi mangyayari yun kung kukontrahin mo na siya kagad. Diba? Yan ang tinuturo natin sa module 1, 2, and 3, Prof. Sai. Correct.
This is not the learnings that you will get in those estate and tax planning is not conceptual. Hindi ka parang nag-enroll sa school. This is real life practical application. How do you say it? What do you say?
Right.
And
what are the proper pitches?
Yan, okay. Gusto niyo ba 'yon, financial advisors, 'di ba? Kasi minsan nakailang beses na tayo umattend ng tax and estate planning, hanggang ngayon mas marami yung question mark kaysa yung doon sasagot eh.
Right. Tama. In relation to that, in connection dun sa sinabi ni Professor Sai, why don't we give another paraffle?
Yeah! Gusto niyo ba yun?
Raffle.
Yan.
dalawa yung dinagdagan
Dalawa.
na natin yung raffle. Supposed to be
Ah,
dalawa lang yung pa-raffle natin tonight, pero magdagdag pa tayo ng isa pang pa-raffle. Ano yung
Wow.
raffle?
yes.
This coming Sunday kasi is yung Module 3 with Professor Sai.
Module 3,
Yung,
guys.
yung Module 3 na yan, it is yung mga exact pitches, yung mga secrets ni Professor Sai, yung mga
Mhm.
strategies ni Professor Sai, ituturo talaga sa'yo na pag ito ang sinabi ng client, ito ang strategy
Ito,
na gagawin
ito
mo. Pag ito ang
Correct.
na-encounter mo, ito naman ang
Ito.
gagawin mo. If you are interested to learn all of those things, that's going to be this coming Sunday, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's the
Mhm.
Module 3 ng Tax and Estate Planning Mastery. Pero made easy, which means hindi
Mhm.
mag-nosebleed, hindi ka antukin. In
Yeah.
fact, masaya yung learning session na marirealize mo, grabe, interesting pala tong tong
Mhm.
topics na
Mas
pwede
bakit
palang
ngayon ko lang naintindihan.
Pwede palang masaya yung tax and
Correct.
estate
Oo.
planning.
Pwede
Pwede
palang
palang
maging
masaya.
masaya. Oo.
Ah,
Yes, yes. At ang maganda
Tsaka
nito, yes, go
Yeah,
ahead.
Coach Jeff, kasi minsan meron ako na encounter na feedback. Akala nung iba, yung ano pa yung makukuha ko sa Module 3? Tama ba?
Mm.
Hindi nila alam na it's actually a sequel, 'di ba? Yung ano
Correct.
ba yung Module 1? Module 1 is more about
Oo,
the
trilogy.
basics. Oh, it's a
Oo.
trilogy eh. Basic 'yan, no? Prof. Sai, no?
Correct.
So
correct.
yung basic foundation. Tapos Module 2 with more deal with more on live cases, tama ba?
Right,
Correct.
right, right.
And the third one is more of how do you do business and ano ba yung structure, ano yung strategies, ano yung systems in place,
Kaya,
how you
coach,
can use.
kaya coach Sean, coach Check, ladies and gentlemen, the title of Module 3, we titled it as Structure, System, and Strategy.
Yan.
And kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga modules na yan, though it is being independently taught, ano yan, interconnected po siya. There will always
Right.
be a reference to the previous module. Yun nga lang, hindi na namin pwedeng discuss very lengthy because na-discuss na siya. But there would
Right.
always be, paano naging ganito? Kasi ganito yung basic niyan. So kung let us say,
Right.
hindi mo nakuha yung previous module, okay lang. Kasi we would still be conducting those previous module. Ang maganda lang doon is, kung makuha mo siya lahat, silang tatlo, yan na yung kukumpleto rin sa pagiging ABC graduate mo because this is
Right.
now how you implement, how you apply it with, especially with your high net worth clients. Kaya nga
That's
sinasabi
correct.
natin lagi with ABC, pag sinabi bang tax and estate planning, kailangan ba morbid, kailangan ba malungkot, kailangan ba dramatic, pwede bang, hindi ba pwedeng maging masaya? Kasi ang
Mhm.
kliyente, pag malungkot ang pinag-uusapan, una kagad, naku, ayoko niyan, hindi ko pa kailangan yan. Nire-reject na kagad di ba? Okay.
Mhm.
Kasi yun ang idea nila At hindi ho nila kasalanan yun, ladies and gentlemen. Bakit? Kasi yun ang lagi nila naririnig sa mga financial advisor Sa mga financial advisors. So, ang tendency
Correct.
ngayon, nagiging allergic sila sa ganong reaction.
Tama, tama.
Mhm. Tama.
So yun.
So if
So,
you guys
financial-
are
yeah.
interested to enroll,
Mhm.
so if you guys are interested to enroll for that, that will be this coming Sunday, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Regular rate natin is 2,499. Pero naka-early bird rate tayo until Saturday, which is only
Saturday.
1,499 na lang. Okay? Pero ito yung maganda.
Yo,
Magpaparaffle
maganda.
tayo ng one bird
Raffle.
for that this coming
Yan,
Sunday.
yan.
Wow.
Para matanong mo lahat, you can ask questions kay Professor Sai.
Ito pa yung maganda.
So,
Ito pa yung maganda,
magparaffle na tayo.
coach.
Coach
Pag
Sean, ano yun?
nag-enroll
Sige.
ka, pag naka-enroll
Oh, yeah,
ka kasi
yeah, yeah.
doon, pag nag-enroll ka sa any of the modules, may free consultation kay Prof. Sai. Oh my
Correct. Yun. That's one of the
Fantastic.
And this is unbelievable. Tama ba? So that is how valuable the,
Right,
the
right.
training is. Okay? So guys, please, if you're ganito,
That's right.
the training program kasi coach is not really for everyone. If you feel you have the network for high net worth and you have, di ba, you have the guts to approach them. Kasi I mean, ang approaching the client, madali yun eh. Ang tanong doon, are you equipped when
Ready
you
ka ba?
approach them?
Correct.
Tama.
Ready ka ba?
And we're gonna give you
Right.
that. Okay? Okay po ba yun? Fantastic. O game na tayo.
Galing.
Right. Okay, paraffle na tayo, paraffle.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
ang
pang-ilan?
magta-type po ng pang-10. Yan.
Pang number
Ito,
10.
ito.
Number 10. Lucky number 10.
Lucky number 10, guys.
Okay, lucky number 10. Ita-type mo lang po ha. Lucky
Okay,
number
sige.
10. Ita-type mo lang. Medyo mahaba. Ita-type mo lang po Okay, pang number 10. Ang itatype mo lang po, medyo mahaba lang pero ready keyboard warriors.
Mga keyboard
ang itatype
warriors.
mo lang po, tax.
Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go,
Tax.
go, go, go. Ang itatype mo lang,
Number
tax.
10.
Go, 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 go,
Ang haba
go, go,
nun.
go, 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 go. Yung pang
Oo,
number 10.
Come on. Tax.
Tax, tax,
Go,
tax.
go, 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 go.
Let's go.
Pang number 10.
Okay.
Oh my
Na
God.
magsasabing
Tax.
tax.
Ang
Yun na
hirap
yun.
Diba?
yan.
Okay,
Naku.
tingnan natin,
Oh.
tingnan natin.
Sinong
Hirap
kailangan?
yan.
Walang
Okay,
digital
okay.
ano dito.
Ikaw na magbilang, Coach
Oo.
Ron.
Ano, number
Okay.
10 ba? Number 10?
Number 10.
Grabe, ang hirap magbilang nito ha.
Oo.
Teka lang. Number
Pang
1,
number 10 na magsasabi.
Mone Bril. Number 2, Juan Ortega. Number 3, Louis Tolentino. Number 4, Vicky
Number 4.
Salinas. Number 5, Angels Estrada. Number 6,
Number
Tristan
6.
Planas.
Okay.
Number 7,
7.
Carolina Bautista. Number 8,
Number
Abby Manibo. Number 9, John Paul Visto. And number 10,
number
Divina
10.
Dimaano.
Congratulations, Divina.
Congratulations. Nanalo po kayo.
Congratulations. Galing.
Yan.
Grabe. So, dun sa mga hindi nanalo, don't worry guys, enroll pa rin kayo because if you
Ah.
enroll, you still get that one free personalized one-on-one consultation with Professor Sai para matanong mo lahat, even your own situation. Marami tayong mga financial advisors na papakonsult kay Professor Sai din dun sa sarili nilang situation na, Prof, ganito kasi nangyari sa property ng tatay ko, ng nanay ko. Or Prof, ito yung nangyari sa akin, ganito, ganyan. You can even consult that. And usually may bayad yung consultations kay Professor Sai, but if you attend that session this coming Sunday, you get that one
Ito pa,
free
Coach.
private consultation with
Ito
Yes,
pa yung
Coach,
maganda dyan.
Yeah.
If you attend Module 3, meron kayong free na worksheet na pwede nyo
Yun.
gamitin for your estate planning purposes.
Correct.
Panalo.
Amazing,
Yun, diba?
amazing.
Yun na yung kukompleto. Yun na yung
Yan na.
kukompleto dun sa worksheet
Game.
natin.
Exciting. Okay. So Coach Chef, ano pa yung
Coming
last few tips natin before last few tips. Paano mo
Tips
sasagutin
muna
yung
para, tips.
yung pinapatay agad?
Yan.
O yun yung parang hindi ka mapikon.
Oo, so hindi pwedeng hindi pwedeng mapikon ka, wag mo kaagad papatay na ganun ba Mr. Client? Paano kung may mangyari sa iyo? Paano kung mamatay ka, di ba? Kahit na mabait natin sinasabi, minsan naman mababait naman yung mga financial advisors pag nagsabi, di ba? Very emotional, very empathic, very na pag nag-object ang sasabihin, mabait naman sila. Ito ganito sila magsabi. Ay, ganun. Sayang naman yung mangyari sa iyo. Di ba? Kawawa naman yung mga anak mo, Mr. Client. Di ba? Paano na lang yan pag namatay ka? Ano mangyayari? Di ba? Isipin mo naman sila, Mr. Client. Di ba?
Paano mo sila mahal?
So wala ka pala Mr. Client
Right? So, hindi pwedeng ganun. So, anong gagawin mo, guys? Very important na pag nag-object yung kliyente mo, intindihin mo muna bakit sila nag-o-object.
Correct.
Di ba?
Okay.
Ano ba yung reason na nag-object sila? Doon sa presentation mo, doon mo makikita. Yung objection mo, is it about trust issues? Yung objection ba niya, is it about kulang sa information na hindi niya naintindihan yung product? Yung marami. Right? So you have to, ibig sabihin, you have to understand the situation of the client first. Remember, it's not about us. It's not about you. It's always about the client. Right? Very
I
important.
agree with you. I agree with you, Coach.
And
And-
tamang-tama, Coach Ron. Lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayon, in fact,
Yan.
you can announce this to all of your teammates kasi merong magandang free learning session na i-announce
Free
sa
to,
inyo si
free.
Coach Ron.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Go ahead,
guys,
Coach Ron.
tanong ko sa inyo, guys, yung 309 na nakikinig sa atin ngayon, if I'm going to discuss with you, we're going to have a free learning session, 3 hours na free learning session about handling objections, kung paano nyo mariresolve lahat ng objections, we're gonna teach you a structure, we're gonna teach you all the skills. Would you be happy?
What to
and would
do,
you,
what to say, how to say it, how to pitch it. Yan. Different types
Yan.
of objections.
Oo. Yan. Would you be happy? Would you attend? Yan. Would you attend? Please comment fantastic if you're gonna attend that
For
session.
free.
For free. Kasi
For
free yan eh. Oo. Pero kasi ganito, pag hindi ka libre, wag ka nang wag ka nang umattend. Ibig sabihin, kasi sayang yung slot coach eh, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi it's limited
Kailangan,
slots for only for 500, no? So kung gusto mo, kung ako sa iyo, if you're a unit manager, lahat ng teammates mo, alika. Libre na, wala naman tayong gagawin ng ganitong araw, 'di ba, no?
Mm-mm.
3 hours naman yan.
Right.
And you'll be a better skillful when it comes to handling objections. Kasi remember, coach, if he can't handle objections, he cannot close. Tama
Correct.
ba? How do you handle objections like pwede ba after the pandemic na lang? Tama ba? So gusto niyo ba 'yon ng free? Fantastic ba 'yon? Free learning session.
Fantastic, oo.
So itong gagawin natin. Coach Brian is going to post the link right now kung saan kayo magre-register. Okay? We can
Kailan
only
ba ito, Coach Ron?
Okay. This will happen on Tuesday. Yan.
July
Tuesday.
28th.
Yeah,
Right.
July 28 on Tuesday, 7 p.m.
Yes,
Up to
it's a
7
free it's a free learning session, but you have to remember, guys, limited lang yung virtual seats namin sa Zoom. We can only accommodate up to 500 people. The last time we did this free learning session, ang bilis mapuno ng 500, di ba? So this time, ang ginawa na namin, meron ng pre-registration. Pero when you register, you have to make sure na makaka-attend kayo kasi kawawa naman yung mga
Gustong
huli
umattend.
yung gustong umattend pero napuno na yung 500 people
That's right.
slots na nag-register. So, very important, you check your calendar first. If you are available on July 28, 7 p.m., you attend this free learning session. It's called Mastery in Handling Objections. Lahat ng objections,
Fantastic.
ituturo
Okay.
namin sa inyo. Kagaya ng mga next time na lang, pag-isipan ko muna, itanong mo ko muna kay Mrs. Not today, the price is too high, or baka
I don't-
magalit yung mister ko,
I don't
Or-
believe in insurance.
I don't believe in insurance, or God will
Will
provide.
provide.
Yan.
Yan.
So, lahat yan, i-discuss natin. And the way that we teach it, we will really teach you the exact pitches. What to do, what to say, how to do it, how to say it, how to pitch it. Lahat yan tuturo namin sa inyo on July 28, 7 p.m.
Yan.
That's a Tuesday. So if you guys
Yan.
are interested, I think finlash na ni Coach Brian yung kung saan kayo pwede mag-register. You register that, you announce it to your teammates na umattend rin kayo since this is for free because lagi kami naniniwala, si Professor Sai, Coach Ron, and I, we always believe in adding value first.
Value.
Yes.
To you guys. Right? Para matulungan namin
fantastic.
kayo. Ang
Oo,
dami nilang
fantastic.
libre, no?
Oo, ang daming
galing.
libre. Oo, ang daming
Right,
libre.
right.
Pero you know what?
Umuulan ng grasya.
Oo. Pero you know what? That's the formula, Coach Jeff, in any business. You have to add value in advance.
Correct.
Diba? So, whatever business that you may want to offer, will not, there's no resistance, diba? So, ganun din, no? Same thing with financial advisors, diba? Kahit na medyo nagno-know yung kliyente mo right now, you just try to add value. Try to add value to your client. Tingnan, para makita niya, maramdaman niya how, siguro kung ikaw talaga yung financial advisor ko, diba? Grabe, sipag mo, hindi mo pa talaga ako kliyente, pero ganito ka mag-provide sa
Oo.
akin ng value. Diba?
Right.
So, it's
Right.
really, really important, diba? When you do that as a habit, tama ba? Magagawa mo yan in any of your dealings, no? And doon kami nagkakasundo ni na Prof. Sai tsaka ni Coach Jeff kasi pare-para kami ng wavelength when it comes to ano. Ganon din si Coach Brian. You know si Coach Brian, he assists us every Thursday because he
Thank
wants
you,
to add
Coach Brian.
value, di ba? He wants to add value to and help
Right.
the industry, no? Yeah, fantastic.
Yep.
Okay.
And we have one last raffle draw.
Ayan na
Yan.
naman.
Ayan, raffle.
We have one last.
Raffle time.
Okay.
Raffle
Okay, ito yung last one raffle
Okay.
draw natin. Ito, first
Okay,
time natin
okay.
ibibigay itong raffle draw na to. Ang raffle draw po natin, guys, very important, ha?
Okay.
You will receive 1 hour of free coaching session. Pero ito yung maganda. Yung mananalo, pwede siyang magsama ng mga teammates niya to as many people na
Oh
pwede
my
niyang
God.
isama.
Wow.
Walang problema sa
Parang
amin.
ano yan,
Oo.
group channeling na yan,
Parang
coach.
group
ah.
coaching.
General,
Oo,
group,
group
coaching.
training.
Oo.
Coaching.
Galing. Oo.
Oh
So,
my
you will
God.
you will get one free coaching session. Kung sino man ang mabunot namin dito, you get one free coaching session. Pero pwede kang magsama ng mga co-advisors mo and it doesn't matter kung ilan sila na isasama mo. 'Di ba? Basta pag in-invite mo sila, kasama sila dun sa free coaching. Kung 30 kayo, walang problema. Kung 100 kayo, walang problema.
Walang
Kung
problema.
500 kayo, walang problema. Kung 600 kayo, may problema kasi hanggang 500
Oo nga. Hanggang
lang ang
500 lang.
capacity ng Zoom namin, ha. So, 'yun ang gagawin natin. So, bunot na tayo, guys. Bunot na tayo. Kung sino man ang manalo,
Okay,
very
okay.
important yung
Okay.
Yun na
Ano
number,
sasabihin?
yung
Oh.
una lang.
Una
ito,
lang.
Medyo
Una.
Una,
The
nako.
first one. Okay?
Una.
The
Sige.
first one. All right? Very
Ito,
important.
coach.
Oh, yan na. Inano ni Coach Ron.
Ito.
Una.
Meron
Ito na.
suggestion si
Mukhang
Coach Ron.
ano to.
Unang
Sige,
magsasabi.
sige.
All right? The first one na magsasabi po ng magta-type ng word na to, siya po yung mananalo ng one free coaching session. So ito lang ang ita-type mo, guys.
Mali.
Very
Ito.
important.
Ulit.
Ang ita-type mo lang is this one. Ang ita-type mo is this one.
Okay.
Brando Braganza, ginawa ng Diyos pang romansa.
Ayun!
Go, go, go!
Go, go!
Brando Braganza, ginawa ng Diyos pang romansa.
Pang romansa.
Go, 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 go!
Number
Oh
one,
my
ha? Number
God.
one. Kailangan tama. Kailangan tama. Gansa.
Kailangan tama.
Ginawa ng Diyos pang romansa.
Yan.
Oo.
Kailangan
Okay,
tama, kailangan tama. O, tingnan natin kung sino mananalo.
tingnan
Coach
natin.
Ron, anong nakalagay
Yeah.
na dyan?
Ano ba? Sino ba? Ano ba? Yung pinakauna?
Yung pinakauna, guys.
Oh my
yung
gosh.
pinakaunang
Pinakauna.
magsasabi.
Gillian Kamua. Congratulations!
Alright,
Ayun,
Gillian,
Gillian Kamua.
Alright.
Brando
Right.
Braganza.
Very good.
Ginawa.
Message
Okay,
us. You won
galing.
a free group coaching session with the coaches. Fantastic. Congratulations.
That's right.
Congratulations.
Send us a message and then you can invite as many friends as you want to
Okay.
join that
Coach, last free na.
coaching session.
Last na free. Kasi,
Yun.
maganda talaga pag libre, no? Oh, last free. Yung July 31 na free session natin. Please invite.
Yan. Okay. So we have another session this coming July 31. That's going to be the social media content blueprint with Coach Brent. That's going to be at 8 p.m. You just register. Punta lang kayo sa Always Be Closing Academy page namin and you will see the link there on how to register.
Yeah.
Right?
Libre
And then
lang yan
meron pa
if you
tayong
attended
another,
this. If you attended this. Kasi
Yeah.
normally, 500 pesos, Coach Jeff.
So, right. And then another training program that we have is this coming Saturday, right? So, with Coach Ava naman. So, ano naman
Coach
yung
Ava.
training program natin this coming Saturday? Ang training program naman natin dyan is marami namang naghahanap talaga ng insurance, right? Mga cold market, naghahanap ng insurance. Ang tanong, ikaw ba ang hahanapin nila? So, we will teach you
Galing.
how to turn the tables, right? We will teach you na instead na ikaw naghahanap sa kliyente, sila na ang naghahanap sa iyo.
Yun,
How
gusto ko
to do
yan.
that? We will teach it to you guys on Saturday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. para hindi na kayo mauubusan ng leads ever again. Fantastic. So, yan. Good.
Fantastic, coaches. And
So,
it's been a fantastic evening tonight,
Yes.
coaches.
Full
And
of
I hope,
blessings, Full of blessings.
That's
right.
marami kayong natutunan, guys. Okay, please type in yung mga mga key takeaways nyo today. Tama ba? Ano yung saan kayo guilty? Ano bang mistakes yung madalas na nagagawa po ninyo?
Oo.
Tama ba? And please just share kung ano yung thoughts ninyo for tonight's session. And we would love to hear that.
That's correct. So, we'll see you again next time. Again, this is Coach Jeff Luspo.
And this is Coach Ron.
And this is Professor Sai, guys.
Of course, this is powered by the student advisor, Coach Brian Ordiales. And remember,
Always be closing. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
What they say, I'm just
Thank you.